What's up, guys? Today I'm unveiling two products that I have right now available on the zgarage.net. I have a new mirror mount and a strut tower cap. These are just tiny pieces of plastic that I've been trying to get a hold of and I just haven't been able to do that. So I went ahead and made my own. These are 3D printed. They're $6 a piece, available right now on the zgarage.net. I've been trying to get a mirror mount for probably 5 months now or so, ever since mine broke. And I just haven't been able to find a good quality piece. So I went ahead and made this one. It's super simple. It's been through a lot of iterations, so it's actually really close design to the original. This one is a strut tower cap. My car actually only came with one of these when I first got it, and I don't really want that bolt in there getting all rusty. So I went ahead and made one of these. Super simple, just a little disc that fits on. It actually has a nice tight seal compared to the original as well, so it won't rust as well in there. These are both only available in black right now. I'm going to try to get some other color filaments in the future, but they are paintable if you want to change that up. This is the only thing that really needs to be changed because these always came in black in the engine bay. But this is such a small piece that you can actually barely even tell. I'll show you inside. You can barely even tell that this is the wrong color because my car has a brown interior and this is black. Other than that, guys, I've got a shift knob in the works. This is one of the first drafts, as you can see. It's going to have a Z logo right on the top there. It's going to look super cool. It's going to be the actual logo on the front of the car right here. I've got a couple of those in the works as well. So that's going to be coming out in the next couple months, so keep an eye on the zgarage.net for when that comes out. And I've got a couple other products too in the work. It'll be super cool. And I'll make videos every time I release a few of these, just so you guys are updated and aware of them. So let's go ahead and check out inside and see what this mirror mount looks like. Alright guys, so here's our mirror mount. So as you can see, it fits really well. It's got a couple notches in it to make the mirror itself notch into it so it won't move. You can see it holds up really nicely. It's very sturdy when you're moving the mirror around, so it's all good when you're trying to move that. It's a really nice piece. You can barely even see it, like I said, so the color for me isn't a big problem, but I probably will eventually paint it just to keep it kind of stock looking. But there you go. This is a super nice piece. It gets really hot in here, so I had to print this out of a very durable material. So this has actually undergone, I want to say, at least 25 or 30 different revisions, basically, to get the shape right and then to get it to also hold up from the heat. So now let's go ahead and check out the engine bay. Alright, so here we actually have the stock cap, as you can see. It's just a little plastic piece, just like that, and it actually is really rusty inside. A couple of them are like that. But it just pops on the top like that. And basically I've done the same thing over here with the 3D printed one. And it's just the same thing. It's a little bit tighter actually, so it has a better seal, so it won't rust or anything. But it's basically all the same thing as the original, and it looks really nice and is really cheap as well. So there you go, guys. If you have any questions about either of these or you want to recommend any pieces for me to make, go ahead and drop a comment down below. Then there you go. Go ahead and definitely check these out on the zgarage.net under our new store tab, and I will see you guys later.